Hi, I'm Laura Heeb, and I'm the Chief Nursing Officer with the Bellin Health System. And I am here to talk to you a little bit about professionalism as you enter into the healthcare arena to do your clinical practices. So there's a couple things when we think about you coming into the healthcare environment in your role as a student that I think about when I think about professionalism. That is all the way from how you dress, to how you interact, to the words that you say, to how engaged you are into the team that you're joining. So as you think of professionalism and entering into the clinical arena, you want to think about, how do you look? Are you well put together, well kempt, as we say? It can be kind of scary when you first enter your clinical setting, thinking about all the new people that you're going to meet, the environment, the patients that you'll be interacting with. So you want to come prepared. Take the time to make sure you understand what will your assignment be, who are those folks that you're going to be working with, and what are the expectations that your instructors have for you, so that as you come, you feel confident that you know what you're going to be doing for that day. Then take the time to make sure that you understand the environment you're going into. Because again, sometimes when you're first arriving, it's where do I have to go? Where do I put my things? Where is everybody that I'll be interacting with? So make sure you understand where do you have to arrive and who is the team that you're going to be working with and who is your main resource in that area. Then once you've arrived into your clinical environment, it's really about making sure that you take the time to introduce yourself to the team as well as the patients that you're going to be working with. So, you explain what is the role that you're there doing that day, what are the things that you're allowed to do as a student, so that that individual that you're working with is confident that they know where your scope is and what they need to do to help you be successful in that clinical setting. Also, as you think about being professional and entering into your clinical environment, it's really important that you come with a positive attitude. We totally recognize that as a student, it can be kind of scary, maybe overwhelming, but you are surrounded by a strong team of individuals who are in healthcare, and they are there to support you and to help you be successful. So we want you to learn, we want you to get great experiences. So come with that positive attitude, be willing to learn, engage in the experiences that are going around you, because there will be all kinds of them. And you will have the opportunity, if you're willing, to maybe look at and get an experience in an area that you weren't anticipating. So be willing to share with your preceptors and those that you're working with that you do want to learn and you do want to engage in some new experiences. The other thing that I would encourage you to think about is how you're communicating with your team and with the patients that you're interacting with. So it's going to be really important, again, especially because sometimes you get a little bit anxious. Make sure that you maintain eye contact, that you're introducing yourself to your patients and to those around you. And it can be sometimes really easy to maybe slide that cell phone in your pocket. And we're really saying, when you come onto those clinical sites, it's best not even to have your cell phone with you, but to leave it in your locker or leave it with the rest of your belongings, so that when you're there, you can fully focus on the experience that you're going to have in that clinical setting. Again, I am so excited to have you join us on your clinical experience, and I just encourage you again, make the most out of the experience. Engage with the environment, engage with your preceptors. We are here to support you. We want you to be successful. We want you to have a great clinical experience and enter into the healthcare workforce of the future. So take advantage of the time that you have in these clinical experiences, and be sure to, again, share those experiences with those around you and with your other colleagues, as well as your preceptor, because we want to do the best job in helping you get educated. So if there's things that we can do in our clinical environments that are going to give you a better experience, please share that with us. So again, welcome, and we look forward to seeing you out on the floors.